Hello and welcome to David and the Drone. Today you join me at the Bridge of Orchy. So we're looking to go up the steep ascent behind us that should take us up to around 740 metres and then work our way across to Ben Derain and then over to the second Munro. Weather's fantastic today, bit overcast but still quite warm. Hoping it stays dry for us and hoping that cloud will just clear off the top of Ben Derain, which looks absolutely stunning at the moment. So next one, we'll see you somewhere up the hill on this steep ascent. See you there. Just an update on where we are. We're now at the low point between the two Munros at 744 metres, so that initial ascent is done. Quite steep. Luckily we had dry conditions, and you know it was a pleasure to get up, and we got up in good time as well. And our next step is choice of two. We decided to go for Ben Derain, so we're going up right from the cairn. So next update, somewhere near the summit for Ben Derain. See you there. Here we have it, the summit of Ben Derain at the Bridge of Orchy, 1,076 metres. Done. Amazing views over to Trainlarrock Hills, Ben Morse to Benyon, Cruach Ardrain, swinging right for the Arrochar Alps. They've got some cloud over them. Cruachan Range, Ben Starriff, can't quite see Ben Morse. So we're just steadily making our way up. So this is on our way back down to the car. A great day so far, 2 Munros bagged, Ben Derain especially stunning I thought. I think we got the best of the day. When we came up it was very clouded, but that clag just cleared as we got up to the top, and it was absolutely perfect. So we'll just end the video there. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.